How to fix Steamtools no internet connection error. And in this very quick video, I'm going to help you fix if you're encountering this kind of problem on Steam. So the very first thing that you will have to do is to go into your Windows search and type in PowerShell. You're going to have to right click on your Windows PowerShell and make sure to run this as an administrator. Hit Alt Yes. Now once you have this window right here, this is going to be the specific command that you need to execute in your Windows PowerShell. So just simply copy it and then paste it into the CMD prompt from your PowerShell. And once you hit enter, you should be able to see three options. But what you're going to have to choose is from GitHub Mirror, usually on the very first result. Now, once you've done number one, CMD prompt or the Windows PowerShell prompt will ask you for your app ID. So what you want to have to do is to pull up your Steam software and then go into the specific game where you're encountering a problem with. So, say for example, from Call of Duty, you're gonna have to right click it, go to Properties, and then Updates. So, this is gonna be the app ID that you need to copy, paste it into your CMD prompt. Now, it will automatically reset by itself. You're just gonna have to relog in again, and that's basically it. That's how you fix Steam tool error, no internet connection